Dear learners or student, all are again welcome to lesson 3 on accountancy classes for class 12 for CBSE, ISC and other state boards. Now the lesson 3 on issue of share at discount. I have already explained that all are mentioned in the Company Act 2013. It is revised, and now I have for the issue of share at discount some standard journal again written on the right hand side of the board. First entry is bank account debit to equity share application account, then equity share application account debit to equity share capital. That means we are transferring the equity share application account money to equity share capital account. And I am repeatedly saying it is a problem on discount, issue of share at discount. So we are assuming that the discount is to be considered at the time of allotment. What is discount? That means share is to be sold out or issued in the market below the nominal value of the share, or face value of the share. That means we are assuming that we are adjusting it in the allotment at the time of allotment. Then the entry will be standard entry, equity share allotment account debit, discount on issue of equity share debit to equity share capital account. Thereafter we are receiving the amount bank account debit to equity share allotment. It is the entry number 4. First is bank account debit to equity share application account. Second is equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. This class is related to issue of share at discount. We are considering discount is considered at the time of the allotment. When we are making due the allotment, the equity share allotment account will be debited, discount on the issue of share account will be debited to equity share capital account. When we are getting the money of the allotment, then bank account debit to equity share allotment account. And the last entry regarding the allotment of the share at discount, the equity share first or final call account debit to equity share capital account. As and when we are receiving the money for the final call, we are passing entry bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. But it is to be mentioned there, it is very important, the discount of issue of shares can be transferred or is to be transferred to PL account. So entry will be PL account debit to discount on issue of shares, and any expenses incurred for the issue of share, it is not part or related to discount. It is other expenses. It is underwriter commission or advertisement or any type of expenses to promote the issue or circulate the information, for circulating the information regarding issue of shares. The expenses, that means expenses on issue of share account debit to bank. Then the expenses of issue of share, it will be transferred to PL account debit to expenses on issue of shares. But it is to remember that the expenses of issue of shares or expenses on issue on discount or expenses for discount also can be adjusted if the company already have or has the share premium balance. That means at that time the security premium reserve account is to be debited to discount account or the other expenses related to issue of share is to be adjusted against security premium reserve account. I am again repeating, if any expenses incurred on issue of share, then entry will be expenses on issue of share debit to bank account. Thereafter the expenses can be adjusted against the PL account, then PL account will be debited to expenses on issue of shares. Same entry for discount. Discount may be debited by PL account, PL account debit to discount on issue of share. If the company are maintaining the security premium reserve account, at that position, instead of debiting PL account, we can debit security premium reserve account, debit to discount issue of share. That means the expenses related to discount, related to expenses related to issue of share either may be adjusted by debiting PL account, or in case of balance is available in security premium reserve account, we can adjust the expenses from security premium account also. Now I am taking a hypothetical problem or a small problem to explain the journal entries for discount, issue of share on discount. Issue of share discount, I am taking small problem to clear the conception. So practical problem we are taking now. Problem, we are considering a small problem. Ankush Limited issued equity shares of rupees 10 is within bracket 1000 shares on application rupees 5 per share on allotment rupees 3 per share, that is 1 rupees for and 2 for discount, 1 plus 2 and 5 plus 3 8 on first and final call. Rupees 2 per share. Now pass the journal entries. The problem is Ankush Limited issued equity share of rupees 10 is 1000 shares on application rupees 5 per share, on allotment rupees 3 per share, 1 rupees for allotment and 2 rupees, that means 1 plus 2, 2 rupees discount, that is 5 plus 3 8 and 2 rupees on first and final call. Pass the journal entries accordingly. Now we are passing the journal now. Journal. First entry. What is the first entry? Bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity share application account. Equity share application account. How much share? 1000 into 5 equal to 5,000. Debit bank and credit equity share application account. Now we are in transferring the second entry. We are transferring the application money to equity share capital account. So it will be, the entry is equity share application account, debit 5,000 to equity share capital account 5,000. It is the first entry and second entry. And third entry, we are making the entries for allotment. Equity share allotment account, debit at the rate of rupees 3. That means at the rate of rupees 3. Therefore, equity share allotment account equal to 1,000 into 1, that is 1,000, discount on issue of shares or equity shares, debit rupees 2,000, that is 1,000 into 2, equity share capital account, that is 3,000. We have passed. It is first entry for application bank account debit to equity share application account. That means equity share application received, equity share application money received on 1,000 share equity share at the rate of rupees 5 per share. After that, we are passing entry for transferring entry. Then equity share application account debit to equity share capital. That is equity share application money transferred to equity share capital account. Now we are making the due entries for allotment. Then equity share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to equity share capital account. That means we are making due allotment on 1,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3, but 1 rupees on 2 rupees discount for each share. So 1,000 rupees in allotment, discount on issue of share 2,000, then equity share allotment is 3,000. Now fourth entry, this we received the money. How much we will receive? We will receive 1,000. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account 1,000 rupees. Being equity share allotment money duly received. Then the fourth entry, after fourth entry there is a fifth entry. We are making due first and final call money at the rate of rupees 2 per share. Then entry will be what? First, equity share first and final call account debit 2,000 into 2 equal to 4,000 to equity share capital account 4,000. Now sixth entry we are doing, number 6. Then we are receiving the money. Then sixth entry will be bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. Bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. First and final call account, that is 4,000, not 4,000, we are issuing share, sorry, it is 1,000 into 2, it will be 2,000 and it will be 2,000. So, entry will be 2,000 and 2,000. We are getting money, that means equity share first and final call money duly received. Then it is the sixth, entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, then entry 4, entry 5 and entry 6. And in these circumstances, we have observed that we have incurred expenditure or company incurred expenditure for the issue of share due to discount for rupees 2,000 at the time of allotment. Now, it can be adjusted or can be transferred to PL account. So, PL account debit or profit and loss account debit to issue, that means discount on issue of shares, that is 2,000 and 2,000, being the expenses incurred on account of discount of issue of shares, or the expenses for discount of issue of share transferred to profit and loss account, and it can also be adjusted if there is a existing balance in the balance sheet for security premium reserve. We can adjust this, but this problem is silent about this. So the discount of issue of share is to be adjusted by transferring PL account respectively. I am concluding the class, and the fourth session will learn the share issue against purchase consideration. Thanks all of you.